Good morning, class 7. Myself, Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. This is the fifth video lecture of the chapter Fiber to Fabric. In last video, that is the fourth video, we have discussed about sericulture. In that sericulture, we have discussed that rearing or taking care of the silkworm to obtain silk on large scale is called sericulture. So we are talking about silk. Silk is called queen of fibers. सारे fibers की रानी, so queen of fibers. Today we are going to see varieties of silk. Varieties of different variety of silk is there. Mulberry silk, Tussar silk, Airy silk, Muga silk. So different variety of silk is there. So different variety of silk worm that feed on different type of leaves produce different variety of silk. For example, mulberry silk. Mulberry silk is produced by mulberry silk moth, which feeds on mulberry leaves. Mulberry silk is the most common type of silk and it is soft, elastic, lustrous. Lustrous matlab chamkila. Soft, elastic, lustrous, and it can be colored in different, means it can be dyed in different colors. Dyed means coloring. Next thing is Tussar silk. Tussar silk is obtained from the Tussar silkworm when it feed on the Arjun leaf. So Tussar silkworm when feeds on Arjun leaf, it produces a silk called Tussar silk. Airy silk. Airy silk is a silkworm which feeds on castor leaves to produce brick red colored silk. Means the color of the silk produced by the airy silkworm is brick red and it is called airy silk. Next is Muga silk. Muga silk is produced by Muga silkworm when it feeds on, when it eats the leaves of som, means som leaves. It is a plant of which this Muga silkworm eats and it produces a lustrous golden yellow colored silk. This is called Muga silk and it is only found in Assam. No anywhere else, means no anywhere apart from Assam it is found. Okay, so we are going to see varieties of silk on the basis of the leaf on which the silkworm feeds. So first is Mulberry Silk moth. Feeds on mulberry leaves to produce silk. It is most common type of silk. This silk is soft, lustrous, elastic, and can be dyed in different color. So this is mulberry silk moth and we get mulberry silk from this. Next is Tussar silkworm. Mainly feeds on Arjun leaves to produce Tasar silk. Next is airy silk worms feed on castor leaves to produce a brick red colored silk called airy silk. Next is Muga silk worm feeds on song leaves to produce a lustrous golden yellow Muga silk. It is only found in असम. ये सिर्फ असम में पाया जाता है. Silk is called queen of fibers. Silk is called queen of fibers. Okay. Apart from this, one activity is there in your book. In page number 29 and activity number I think 3.6. There is one activity in your book in page number I think 29 and activity 3.6. In this activity, it is told that activity 3.6. You will correct if I have made a mistake in numbering. So if you will correct it, but according to me it is right. So in this, it is told that you have to take a silk fiber and a artificial silk. What do you mean by artificial silk? It is a synthetic fiber called rayon, and you have to take wool. This fiber rayon is called artificial silk, and its texture means its luster and some property is similar to that of silk. And what it says, you take the silk fiber and artificial silk and burn them. If you will burn, you will feel, since silk fiber is a animal product, and if you burn something, if any animal is burned, a special type of smell you can feel. That जब कोई चीज जलता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू आर डूइंग बारबेक्यू, कोई मीट वगैरह होता है ना, उसको आग पे डायरेक्ट भूनते हैं, सो यू फाइंड ए स्पेशल एक यूनिक टाइप का स्मेल है. So if you burn the silk fiber, you will find same smell, and if you burn wool also, you will also again find the same smell, because silk and wool, they are animal product, and when they are burned they give a special smell. But when we are talking about artificial silk, it is not like that. One thing. Second thing, since silk fiber and the wool fiber, they both are animal product, when they are burned, they burn slowly compared to artificial silk. These artificial silk are synthetic, so it catch fire very fastly. So the burning speed of the synthetic fiber is more compared to the natural fiber. Silk and the wool is a natural fiber. That's why it is said that you should not wear the synthetic clothes when you are burning crackers or you are working in the kitchen, because it burns very fast. In case of accident, you won't get sufficient time to protect yourself. But if you wear a natural fiber, in case of accident, it will not burn as fast as synthetic fiber. So you will get sufficient time to protect yourself. Okay? So this is the activity 3.6. Now we will discuss the exercise of this chapter. First, see if you can see it. Someone told that, sir, please move aside at least for a second, for some time, so that you can see easily. So the exercise, you must be familiar with the following nursery rhymes. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Question is, which part of the black sheep have the wool? The hairy skin of the sheep have wool. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white and snow. What do you mean by white fleece of the lamb? The white colored skin hair is called is meant by fleece of lamb. So in first A, the hairy skin called fleece has wool in black sheep. B, the white colored hairy skin means, what do you mean by white fleece of the lamb? So white fleece of the lamb means, you will write white fleece of the lamb means white fleece of the lamb means the white colored hairy skin. Okay. Second question. The silkworm is a caterpillar, B, a larva. Choose the correct option. A, B, both A and B. Yes, silkworm is both A and B. So third, both A and B. Third question. Which of the following does not yield wool? We get wool from the yak, camel, goat, but woolly dog. D. Woolly dog. Fourth. What you mean by the following term? Rearing. Rearing matlab taking care of. Rearing matlab breeding, feeding, taking care of, and medical care all together is called rearing. So A, rearing, the process of कीपिंग रखना, फीडिंग खिलाना, ब्रीडिंग रिप्रोड्यूस करना, एंड मेडिकल केयर ऑफ एनिमल्स is called rearing of animals. D. Shearing. So one is rearing, second is shearing. You know, the process of removing fleas from the body of the sheep along with the thin top layer of the skin is called shearing. So the process of removing the fleas of sheep along with thin layer of skin is called shearing. C. Next is sericulture. Sericulture, the rearing of silkworms to obtain silk on large scale is called sericulture. Question number 5. Given below is the sequence step in the processing of wools. Which of is missing steps? Add them. First is shearing, then scoring, then sorting, then removal of burrs. Removing burrs, then dyeing, D-Y-E-I-N-G, dyeing, and last is rolling. So removing burrs or picking burrs, shearing, scoring, sorting, removing burrs, dyeing and rolling. These are the sequence of processing of wool from the fiber. Make a step of 2 stages of life cycle of the moth directly related to the production of the silk. The drawing which I have provided you means from the book you will draw. Okay, I will provide this one. Out of the following, which of the two terms is related to silk production? C. Sericulture, it is directly related, and Moriculture. Why Moriculture? Because the scientific name of mulberry is Morus alba. That's why it is called Moriculture. So in question number 6, answer will be Sericulture and Moriculture. Okay. Question number D. Scoring. Match the column A to B. Scoring, S-C-O-U-R-I-N-G, scoring. Scoring means cleaning the seared skin. So, in question number 8, A is 5. Okay, mulberry leaves, which is food for the silkworm. So B 3. Yak, wool yielding animal. Yak 2 means Sika 2. And the cocoon. Cocoon is the fibers, it means cocoon yields silk fiber. So D first. Okay? And in cocoon we can also write reeling. So first and fourth, because from cocoon only reeling is done, and reeling I have told you process of taking out silk from the cocoon is called reeling. Okay? And one more question is there. That we will see. So, question number 9. Thorough washing. So, down. First, cleaning means अच्छे से साफ करना. SCOUR. Scour. Animal fiber means second. That is silk. Long thread-like structure. Third, fiber. Across. First, it keeps warm. What keeps warm? Wool. Wool keeps us warm. Its leaves are eaten by silkworms. Mulberry. And third one, hatches from the egg of the moth. I have told you silkworm, caterpillar. So since the answer is big, so it will be caterpillar. Caterpillar. Okay? So this was the exercise. Hope you understand. If you still have anyone have any problem, you can ask. Okay?